Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm back with another series from Beat the Heat. Today let's prepare this beautiful, delicious mango recipe, Mango Panna Cotta. This is a perfect recipe which you can make during the mango season, which you need very few ingredients with very less cooking. You need some mango puree, milk, gelatin, sugar and some vanilla essence. To start with, take 4 tablespoons of water and add 2 tablespoons of gelatin and mix it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now into a cup, add sugar and add some mangoes. We need around 1 cup of mango puree, so I have taken around 1 to 2 mangoes. And here I'll show you an easy way to take out the mango pulp. Just cut cubes like this and just flip it around. Now take out the pulp using a knife or a spoon, and after cutting mangoes in this way, you can use it for decorations, which you can see it on the final pictures of this panna cotta, which I'll be posting it on Facebook and Instagram. You can check it out. Now once you take out all the pulp from the mangoes, add enough water to make it into a puree, pourable consistency. Now take the gelatin, melt it in microwave for 10 seconds, then add it into the puree. If you don't have the microwave, you can melt it in a gas stove. Now mix it really well with the mango puree. And this is a bit crucial: if you have not mixed gelatin and mango puree really well, the mango layer will not get set. Now take a tray, place a towel, place glasses on top of the towel like this. It should be a bit tilted. Now pour the mango puree into the glasses till it reaches the rim. Now keep this in the refrigerator for 2 hours or till the mango layer is set. Now into a pan add some milk, cream and sugar. Now mix it and heat it for some time. Don't boil the milk, just warm it. Now take it out from the heat and add some vanilla essence. Now add the same gelatin quantity which we added to the mango puree. Now take out the glasses which we kept in the refrigerator for chilling. Now you can see the mango layer is set. Now pour the milk into the same glasses. It looks so beautiful, and you have to keep this in the refrigerator again for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, you can see the milk layer is also set. Now for garnishing, you can add some mango cubes on top. When you add the mango cubes, it looks so beautiful. It looks like it's floating on top of the milk. You can also add some mango balls on top, which you can make it using a melon scooper, and add a dash of leaf. Makes it look so beautiful and pretty. This is a dessert which is loved by everyone, so definitely try this recipe at home. So here it is, a perfect mango dessert for this perfect mango season. You can make this panna cotta ahead of time and keep it in refrigerator and serve it after a light meal. You can also make this in small quantities in short glasses. So this 2-layered panna cotta definitely gonna be a showstopper. See how soft and fluffy it is. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like the recipe. You can watch more videos from our channel Grey Pot. And click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.